welcome back to another video. Let's do a first impression on this FADLASH Cluster Lash Eyelash Kit. So this is the eyelash kit. It's going to come with a darker set of lashes on the bottom, and on the top we have a slightly lighter, so less dense lashes, and we have a range of sizes. We also have the bond and the seal. Unfortunately, this kit does not come with the glue remover, so I'll see what the company suggests to actually remove the lashes. So we'll see how this works. The glue is also white, so I think I might like that a little bit more compared to having black glue. And this is the seal, which is going to come in the same type of straight wand, and the bond has that curved wand. The curved wand, I don't really think it helps. I wish they were both just straight wands. And I'm going to open up my little packaging here, and I'm going to take out my little applicator. Now, it also has like a little comb on the end. I wish they could have just included a spoolie, because I don't really think I'm going to use that little comb on the other side. So now I'm going to try to take up a little cluster, and it was kind of hard to take it off. It was kind of stuck on the backing, like that little sticky clear part. So I'm just trying to take one off, and it was a little bit difficult. The hairs are a little bit more like stringy compared to the other lash kit that I got, where the hairs were a lot more thick and sturdy. So it kind of depends on what kind of look you're going for, and you can see how they flare out a lot. They have a small little cluster on the bottom, and then they flare out. So I'm going to be trying these in a separate video, so if you want to see this application, make sure you watch the next video. So far, I mean, I like these. I'm going to have to see what they're going to look like when you actually wear them. But we'll see how they come out. We'll see how this glue is. And yeah, I mean, they're really nice. It's pretty simple. I'm going to try to grab a couple of these other smaller ones so you can kind of see. It's hard to take off. They get kind of stuck to the tool. It's just, I don't know, it's not a huge like red flag or anything. It's just an observation. And I'm kind of comparing it to my previous lash cluster kit. I'm trying to find the right one, or the best one. So I'm going to show you up close what this little hair looks like. So hopefully you can kind of see the curl, the pattern of the curl, and how long it is. Alright, so hopefully this video was helpful, and I'm going to go ahead and apply these in the next video if you're curious to see what they look like. And I'll probably do a review comparing the different cluster lashes that I have once I get a few different other brands and I'm able to try them out and see which one's better. And here I'm comparing the two. You can see the color is a little bit more dense on the left compared to the right, but it's good to have different options and kind of mix up your look depending on what you're going for. All right, so that was the quick little first impressions of this FADLASH kit. Here I was smelling it because I was kind of curious, and there's no strong smell. It does smell like glue, but it's not super strong. All right, hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.